We're not ones to brag. This isn't a look-at-me kind of place. But it is a place full of head-turning surprises. Like finding your voice or growing as a leader. UNK is a place where quality education meets hands-on learning, and going the extra mile gets rewarded. It's a place where you can put yourself out there, reach your goals, and set new ones you never thought possible. Be fearless in the face of each challenge. Ask questions. Plan your next move. Study abroad. Join a club. Find your passion. Be yourself, but develop the best version of you. Stretch. Grow. Have the courage to stand out. And know that people here will always have your back. From the classroom, to the lab, to the field, to the stage, and beyond. Let us show you what you're made of. Make a bold move and shock everyone, including yourself. Be blue. Be gold. Be bold. Be a Loper. Learn more at unk.edu.